Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, I have an outdoor cat that we've been feeding for a while now. And I just wanted to give you guys an update. He's just chilling right there. Yeah, really? Hey, buddy. Where you going? Yeah. He tried to bite me on my knuckle yesterday. All because I put my hand on the step. He's a good kitty. So I would be sitting down and loving on him, but at the moment he just wants to stand in the middle of the yard. So this may be a short video, only because, come here, buddy. Yo, buddy. He's clearly ignoring me. There he is over there, licking his butt. So, yeah, I just got graduation money from my aunt and uncle who live out of state. And yeah, howdy, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yo, come here. He just ate some chicken from Pizza Hut that was in my Alfredo bowl, and he apparently just ate it. I'm surprised he even liked it. Buddy. Yeah, he is just gonna go to sleep right there. This is what he's doing right now. Buddy. Here's something. There he is. He's gonna be the most dirtiest look, but that's okay. So yeah, fed him earlier, and then we left to go get food. So I'm just chilling out here with him right now because my mom just took my dog for a walk. She'll be in a video soon, I'm hoping. Daisy, not my mom, of course. I wouldn't get too comfortable, buddy. As soon as you hear dog barking, you're out of here. Although that dog doesn't really scare Buddy anymore. I think he just like zones her out. What are you doing, pretty boy? He's a pretty boy. What are you doing? Oh. You made me come all the way over here just to sit with you. And now he's just gonna get up. But it's okay, because we love him. He's got a very distinctive figure. Dude, no one wants to see your butt. Sorry, guys. Hey. What? Whoa. A little too zoomed in, huh? Yeah, that's what he does. Well, that was really awkward and kind of cute at the same time. He rolls over on his belly, and then after a minute, he's like, nope, never mind. Oh, now you want to cooperate, really? Uh-oh. He's watching. We would bring him in, but our cats are boys. We only have 2 girl cats. Add another boy to the mix. Ugh. They'll start peeing everywhere. Because he's not fixed. Our Buddy's not fixed. All of our cats are fixed. Even the one that had kittens. Really? You're okay. This is literally what he does sometimes. He's got very distinctive, like, stripes on his paws. And his tail goes, like, from light to literally dark. You look very uncomfortable. Really? You're being a dork. Only a picture. You don't look comfortable, dude. I'm sorry, but jeez. I don't want to move my foot, but you're okay. You're okay. Hey, you're okay. I know. Trucks can be bullies. This ain't the first stray cat that we found. Up. Buddy. Okay, we're going over here now. Where you going? You left me on the driveway. Come here. Dude, you have an audience. So guys, I guess that is all in the video that he wants to make today. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. Bye guys.